Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab G6 Max, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the option Display. Then let's scroll and localize the option Screen Timeout and tap on it. And here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds. At the bottom, almost at the bottom, we've got the longest time option, which is 30 minutes, and under it also the option Never, which means that your device will never black out automatically. So all you need to do is to tap on the option Like to Use. I'll pick 10 minutes. And as you can see, it is immediately marked, and after getting back, it is also notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.